Alright, finally here with a new figure. I have the 6th scale Leatherface from Threezero that I got from Sideshow Collectibles. Um, it's over he's over 12 inches. I think he's 12 and a half inches tall. He is incredibly detailed. It's crazy the amount of detail that they put into this figure here. You can sort of see his eyes in his mask and his teeth. It's crazy the detail here. His teeth are dirty. It's the amount of detail. It just blows my mind. The shirt looks worn, full of dirt, dust, whatever else. Get some blood stains on the tie here. It's all nice cloth material. And like his hair, nice soft. His mask looks like you can take his mask off, but I'm not sure if you actually can. I mean, but it looks like you can almost pull it off. I don't want to. I don't want to ruin it. It looks great as is. Can't get over how soft his hair is. Just gotta keep brushing it back like this. But man, look at that. It's like the shirt. It's like it looks like he's just been wearing it. Like he hasn't changed his clothes at all for weeks. Get his belt here. His pants. Not as dirty as his shirt, but still clearly been used. You get some dirt and stuff here around the knee area. Very nice. Got some blood here on his arms. Let's see how the articulation is. Oh. As I pull his arms out, you can hear some popping. Kind of weird. This is my first figure from Threezero, so I'm not familiar with their quality, but I mean, this is a great start if this is how a lot of their figures are. Check that articulation. It feels weird, like the popping feels weird, like I'm giving him a massage or something. Oh wow, nice veins. Nice veins going on in the arms. Very nice. I don't remember Leatherface being this built though. You get the wrist movement here. Let's see if I can go. Yeah, there we go. Oh, hand fell off. I was playing with hands earlier. I think I might have left that one a little loose. His knees been pretty good. Get some boots here. Check out his legs. Can you take these boots off? Oh. I guess you can't really take the boots off, but you could take his feet off. See how he bends in the middle. Can't really bend him much in the middle. It's not really important, I guess. The figure comes with extra hands for gripping the things that accompany the figure. Let's see, what do we got here? Let me see if I can stand him up. He's a little tricky to stand. There we go. Kind of standing weird. We've got his chainsaw, of course. The detail on the chainsaw is crazy. Just like the figure itself. You can see some blood. The saw blades look really nice. The saw itself, you got some weather, blood. I decided to put his hand on here already just to make it easier for when I place it on the figure. Yes, very, very detailed as expected. You also get the mallet thing. Blood on the mallet, of course. And you get this hook here. When he's ready to hook up his victims, I guess. And of course, you also get his apron with a lot of blood splatter. Apron itself is pretty shiny. Put it on him. I went ahead and tied it in the back here, so the apron is on him now. Looks really good on him. Really like that splatter there. Looks really good. Let's see how he is with his chainsaw. So you could easily just pop his hands out. I already had this hand ready with the saw. Alright. Oh yeah. Looking good. Just need to put his other hand to the saw. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I like. That's what I like to see. Can't have Leatherface without his signature chainsaw. Looks great with the saw. As I said, the amount of detail is just mind-blowing to me. This is probably one of my most detailed figures. I'm really pleased with this. Like I said, I got this off of Sideshow Collectibles. And if you are a big Texas Chainsaw Massacre fan, like I am, you're looking for a new figure, Leatherface, you know, I would highly recommend checking this one out from Threezero. Details crazy. Looks great. My only complaint is he's a little hard to stand. His knees bend quite easily back, so he's a little hard to stand. I gotta keep his legs apart a little bit. But really, that's my only complaint. Aside from that, I think it's a really great figure. Definitely one of my best in my collection.